I think AI is going to keep track even better of what we're doing already. AI is helping us fundamentally just run the business faster. We have all the quotes that we've ever given out. We are able to kind of take a look at that and see, are we optimizing the hours? Are we optimizing the pay? Are we optimizing the kind of equipment that we've purchased? And that the AI is helping us there for sure. But also it helps us give data to the clients that we send our clients reports and reviews about what's happening on the site, and we wouldn't be able to do as much if we didn't have AI and technology to kind of process all the data that we have. We have like a tremendous amount of data of what's happening on the sites and what people are doing, and we wouldn't be able to do that without AI because we'd need 50 other people in the office, crunching numbers about how many times the hallway was mopped this week. A lot.